Hi guys, we will get started in 4 minutes. All right, so post some tickets, questions, stuff, and we'll get started. See you in a bit. I am just on mute. All right, guys, see you in a couple minutes. All right, I am here. I'm just sorting some things out. Make sure to like up the stream, comment, any questions, tickets, and stuff. I'll go through Twitter as normal, and then I'll get to you guys. All right, see you in a minute. All right, what up, guys? Hello. Let's like up the stream. Let's go. We're getting 500 people in here today. We're breaking records. Got a big trust. Looks like I can hold TWG. People are obsessed with that. Why is everyone obsessed with TWG, guys? Why is everyone? Everyone needs to calm down with that play. Calm down. If this breaks the downtrend, you can look for your entries. Use the 1 minute, 5 minute, 20 second, whatever you desire. Right? I like to use the 5 minute time frame. That is the time frame I trade on. It's not the best time frame. It's the time frame that works for me. GNLN, just gonna remove this one. TCBP doesn't look great. ATPC needs 215. Close above 215. I'll look for entries. ATPC needs 215 break or entries. Feeling very, very good about this week. Absolutely Gonna kill it. I'm gonna make a 500% on all my accounts. No excuses. This one's looking alright. We have falling wedge. Yes, looks good. I would take this as an entry if you want to. Looks nice. You have a nice falling wedge. Demand zone. Members, you know the other confluences. Look at the chart and you will see. You will see and you will know. Discord members, have a look. Expecting breakout on this. So that means if you enter now, aim for 5%. Don't aim for 144. Don't aim for 150. All right, so enter now if you would like to. Very, very strong play during pre-market. I gave it extremely early this morning. Everybody was sleeping. I think it was around here, around 0.86, 87, somewhere around there. It ran insane. I did not take it as I was at the gym. I don't trade when I'm at the gym. TWG looking good. 0.75 next. Then you have 0.82. So you see 8287, just put 0.83. Nice level there. 0.83. So TWG moving up. Moving up. Moving up. Very nice. 0.83 is probably your next level. Do 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 do. Damn, nice on TWG. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Right, DJT. Yeah, give me a sec. Let me go through this. Oh, I've caught up to it. Okay, cool. DJT, what up? What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? DJT's gonna. I mean, like I said, look, I gave you guys over here the $35. It ran all the way up. I don't know when this thing will come down. I'm assuming just before elections or around there. These next levels you have obviously 45, then 50 is your next big level on this. So 45 and then $50. So like this. So these are your next level. Let me just update this chart. So obviously this was where we posted before on Friday, I think. Yeah, Friday before open. This was the chart. It ran up pretty nicely. Very, very nice. Well done, well done, well done. Let me see here. Cool, demand zone. So here's the demand zone. Now this is your next demand zone here. We'll put it here. Last red candle for the move. We could just use this range like that. Very, very nice. Cool. So I'm expecting this to hopefully come down here. If not, it's probably just going to keep going, to be honest. This thing's just insane. Fun. I don't know when that thing's stopping. They run together. You guys know that. UPXI down 17%. Let me look at the chart overall. 5 minute, 15 minute. Let me get a clear trend. Looked like it was a huge dump on Friday. For me, I personally wouldn't enter this unless you get above this resistance here. What's this? 728. Instead of it being 728, just move it to 730. Make it a psychological level. Make it easy for yourself. Close above here, then you have range up to around $8-ish. So UPXI, wait for 730 break above. All right, 730 break above, then you should be good. UPXI, yeah, UPXI, just keep it on watch. I have it on my watch as well. I'm just gonna add it here as well. I deleted it because it halted on Friday, and then I just didn't look at the chart since then. JTAI, everyone loves the stock. Former runner, up 5%, downtrend still, yeah. It's fighting this downtrend right now. You have a lot of resistance here. You see this around this level? I mean, this thing's 8 cents. Yeah, I don't know. You guys be the judge. I would just wait for 8 cents break above. So JTAI, wait for break and close above 0.08 cents for entries. All right. 4 entries. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. HCTI, let me have a peek at this one. 88%. Needs to hold here. Wait, let me move this as well. We also have a $1 psychological level right here. There you go. $1 psychological level as well. Is making motivated. I'm motivated, brother. I'm motivated. LGVN. Let me have a peek at this one. Just chilling, just chilling, just chilling. Former runner. We will see this one run today probably. We'll keep it on watch. This is your major resistance here, 278. So we'll wait and see. Obviously now it's in a downtrend. Needs to hold 210. That's all. 210 and $2. Save. Ooh, how is that one doing? That was a crazy one all week. Man, this thing is so bullish. So yeah. This one wasn't my friend last week. Every time I sold it, it ran. Very, very clean setup. This is expected to break out. Yeah, this is expected to break out. This is called a bullish pennant. For those who don't know, you look left, continuation pattern to go up. So price action is bullish, and then you have this price action, and then hopefully up, right? That's what's expected. So when you're in a position like this, right? Now, in a situation like this, you expect it to come down hopefully, or it can break out here already. But instead of it being like a 50-50 chance, like looking at the chart like this, you now have a, right, probably like 60-70 chance. So there's a more bullish reasoning to get in this trade. There's a high probability that the stock should go up. Nothing is 100%. No one is 100% correct, whether you like it or not. All right. Let me just put this in the setup examples. Cool. Evoke. Let me check Evoke. Yeah, this is, I don't think I will trade this today because it's $12. I don't like to trade stocks really over $10, to be honest. It's just something I don't. It usually takes a lot longer for these to run. Getting 5% is a little bit difficult on those plays. That's all. Unless it's like a former run or something, then maybe yeah. This Buru maybe above 0.74 close above. Needs to close above. I would wait for a close above on this 1 hour or 4 hour, to be honest. Just that extra confirmation. This isn't really my kind of play since it is over $1, but yeah, the volume's coming in. Just keep it on watch. I will put this on for Hassie as he does trade those sub $1 plays. Right, Hollow. Guys, Hollow, I don't know. I never trade the stock. People get upset. Oh, you always said it was going to break out, da 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 da. I'm just showing and sharing what's a technical setup. That is it. Just because I'm putting things on Twitter, it doesn't mean I'm in. 99.999% of the time, I'm not in any stock that I put on Twitter. If I am, I've already ran and hit my first target, or I've got stopped out. One of the two, right? I never ever put trades that I trade on in the Discord, okay? Because I am teaching and trading my setups based on my technical analysis and my strategy. Yes, I share high probability setups on Twitter, and a lot of times they do run, sometimes they don't, right? But I enter the highest probability setups in the Discord, and that's where I trade. And yes, if I do see some other setups that are a lot more volatile but still fit my strategy, I still put it on Twitter, just share you guys if you want to enter. But at the end of the day, as I said on Friday, I'll actually read it to you guys before we move because I think it's very important to know this. It is, I said, was it Friday? I think it was another day. I think it was on Thursday or whatever. Let me find it. Give me a second. Because it's just important for people to know. I know most of you are very smart people, so you know, but a lot of people always ask me, where's the stop loss? What are his goals? Everyone on Twitter asks me, as if I know. I don't know where it's going to run to. I don't know. When I enter my trade, I aim for 5%. That's it. That's what I do. Doesn't mean you have to do it. Doesn't mean the person next to you has to do it. Someone else on Twitter, they maybe have a 50% target. Maybe they're holding for long term. There's all different ways of trading. For me, when I enter a trade, 5% is my target. All right, give me 1 second. All right, sorry guys. So what I was saying is that I think this is it. When was this? No, this is not. Here, okay, this is what I put. I said new traders expect traders to be right 100% of the time, right? People think because I've been trading for 4 years or however long, because I post charts every single day, it means that I win every time, 100%, da 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 da, blah 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 blah, right? It's not the case. No one can be 100% right. You guys need to understand that. It is extremely important to understand that. If you don't understand that, then you're never going to become a successful trader, whether you like it or not. It's the truth, okay? You have to accept it, that you will lose trades. Last week wasn't a great week for me, and it's normal. It's okay. Am I pissed off? Am I angry? Am I sad? No, because I know some days will be bad, some days will be good. But I know if I manage my risk and I have a correct risk management strategy, then everything will be fine. And I've done it 4 years, and that's why I live off trading, and that's why I do trading, because I've made a living out of it. All right. Obviously, yes, I do have a Discord with Hassie, and we do teach people there as well. But overall, right, my main focus is trading and teaching people at the same time. All right. So you need to understand where your target is. You need to know where your target is before you even enter and press buy on your trade. Right? If you're going to buy without having no idea where your stop loss is and target, that's your first biggest mistake. You will probably notice, right, if you've been trading for maybe 6 months and still not really understanding it too much, I bet you know how to trade. Your issue is your risk management. It's nothing to do with why you're entering and where you're entering. It's more of where's your stop loss and your target. You're changing your price. You're going with $1,000 one time. You're going with 100,000, 20,000, 2,000. Then you have a 20% stop loss, 5%, trying to average down, all this shit, right? You know how much that affects your trading. Your results will be all over the place. That's why I stick very, very consistent. 3% stop loss, 3% target. That's it. 3 to 5% target. Then cut my losses, move on. I'm losing 3%. I don't care. I focus on my move. If it runs, great. If it doesn't, I cut it 3%. That's as easy as it is. But if you're not going to cut it 5%, you're not going to cut it 10%, you're going to keep buying, hoping it's going to turn. Yes, maybe it will reverse, maybe some point, but it's a lot easier, a lot better to not get emotional, take the loss like a man, move on. That's it. All right. This hollow, for me, honestly, I'm not even going to draw a falling wedge, nothing on this. If I was to enter, maybe above $4. Really, that's it. But if you're in it, just cut the loss and move on. There are so many better plays than this. Cut it and leave it and get out of it. It is shit. Trash ass stock. Look at the stock. I don't care if it runs. It will run for maybe 1 day and come straight back down. Anyways, TWG 40%. Let me see. Nice. Got the wick here. TWG looks good. Is that VWAP now? Yeah, right at VWAP looks good here for entries. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Yeah, Friday runners will UAVs, I don't know why UAVs was running. I'm not too sure the news, but it ran 30%. Yeah, I would just keep this on watch. Yeah, I would have this on my watch list because it ran last week. If you look at overall stock, yes, it's trending down because we are obviously in downtrend. Lower lows, lower highs. This will break down here, keep coming down. I'm a day trader, so I don't care what's happening in the larger time frames. I'm looking what's happening on the 5 minute or 10 minute or 1 minute. Right, but you have safe entries above 233. Why 233? Because you have clean range to the up. If you enter here, you have this in the way, 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 this way, this way. Right? So wait for 233. That's it. So UAVs, wait for 233 break to enter. You know, if you wait for a close above 233, there's a high probability to go up. If you enter now, there's a lower probability to go up. And you're here to make money, right? All your money's in hollow. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know. Tell me why you're in it. Tell me why you put all your money in it. I want to hear this. I want to hear it from a bag holder. Talk to me. Let me hear this shit reasoning. Don't understand why people are putting all their money in it. I don't know. It is what it is. It's your money. It's your money. But if you're going to be putting all your money in something you don't even know why, then that's your biggest issue. Needs 315 break. TVGN's nice. I like the setup. Internet faves. This looks good. I like it. So we're trending up. We have a bullish pennant even, you could say. Even maybe ascending triangle looking very, very nice. like this. See? Yes, I haven't gone like this, right? Because I'm just trying to make it a clean setup, that's all. So this is how I draw my bullish pennant. Maybe not ChatGPT says it like that. Maybe not your favorite Furu on Twitter, wherever. This is how I do it. This is how I've developed it. So it's something that I like. You know? I'm just sharing with you guys how I trade and what's worked for me. That is it. Whether it's wrong or right, it's up to you. SoFi. SoFi is very, very good stock. Good. I like that long term, Matt. There we go. Sarah, see, Sarah's in. She is in the Discord. She knows what to do. Previously, I'm assuming, and I know Sarah, she was probably in a situation where she was in those kind of trades. We've all been there. We've all had to accept it. But now, you know, after time, you can either look back and think, what an idiot I was to hold this stock for that long or whatever. And, you know, see, Eric, EVOC is going up. Yeah, I said this one, falling wedge should go up. There, 1490, 1730. Good luck. I read on, yeah, everyone reads everything on Reddit. I don't even use Reddit. I don't know how people use it. I only use, when I was starting, I just used FinTwit. ATPC looks fun. Need 215 to be honest. I had one lost, one green today in pre-market. TBGN, just keep on watch. Save looks good if it gets volume. The volume spike. Whoa. Amex, nothing. See, look, you're not entering this unless it breaks above the downtrend. That is your entry point. Otherwise, nada. NDRA. Let me have a peek. Abdul, I want to hear why you bought all of that hollow. Tell me why. I want to hear it from your perspective. I just want to hear the reasoning. And I will tell you the reasoning that you probably have is not good enough. But I just want to hear it. I want to see. I just want to see. So I can help you for the future. Because I'm assuming most of you, all my followers, you guys all want to trade similar to style that I do. You know, something you want to adopt is something that how I trade, my charting and all that. So that's why I'm sharing you and giving you feedback from whatever you have. I will tell you from my experience and what I suggest doing. Right. Wint needs 0.93. This looks good though. If this breaks 0.93, you have a lot of range to the upside. Yeah. I want to hear it. ATPC, Ben's, yeah, Benzing. I was gonna get that, but honestly, I just use Webull. It's free. You can use investing.com. All of them. They're all like, I don't know. I don't look at the news. For me, it's like whether the stock just gets news, and if I get it just before the news is released, I still wouldn't enter because it probably has low volume, and I'm just gambling, hoping that the news, you know, that it's going to run or whatever the reasoning is. So for me, I don't care. Like, let the news happen. Let it run out for 20, 30, 10, 15 minutes, however long it takes. Then if it gets my setup, then I'll trade it. So for me, getting the delayed news is actually best for me. Or not delayed news, but, you know, getting the stock after it's ran. But yeah, I'm never going to buy something that's like here, look, for instance, just got news. Yeah, it's going to go, it can go up, but it can also come down. Like, what are you going to do? Like in a situation like this, right? What is this? So look, the candle closed, you're down. Say I enter here as soon as this candle closed. Now I enter trade. Now I'll go down to 10%. What am I going to do? I'm out the play. Why? Because my stop loss is 5%. Cut it and move on. And then look, it runs. I'm going to be annoyed. Okay, but the reason why I don't enter a trade like this is because I've just impulse entry, no reasoning, weird entry, no reasoning for me to get in. Wow, there's news, so what? I'm just going to buy. That's not what it is. Whether the thing cured cancer, merged with Tesla, I don't care what the news is, who the CEO is. All these companies I trade, I don't even know any of them, to be honest. Maybe a couple of them because I've traded them over and over again. The ones that run a lot, you know, the former runners. But other than that, I don't know any of the stocks. I don't care about it. It doesn't matter because the less I know, the better. But Reddit's necessarily, yeah, exactly. Yeah, true. I know if Reddit has a big following and everything, but especially since the Wall Street bets and all that shit, you know. See, look, now we can identify, we're finding an area of support. Maybe a falling wedge as well. Possibly, yeah, looks all right. Should be able to get a couple percent out of this. Let me just check because I think it's right by VWAP, which could be an issue. Oh no, you're fine. VWAP's way up. Zena have any chance? Let me have a look. Zena. My laptop is not charging. Oh, there we go. Right, Zena. What's happening with Zena? Zena is... Wait for 225. You see this? A lot of resistance here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A lot of resistance. 225 break, you have all the way up. That's what I did this morning. RGVN, no carrying luggage. Yeah, exactly. AVTX. Where is that one? We had it here somewhere, no? AVTX. I'll just give you the key levels on this. This thing's at $17. $18.79. I'm just going to use the daily levels here, these wicks. I'm not going to use this one because I just want to, excuse me, bigger range. So, wow, $34. Clean range up. Wow, this looks good. AVTX, key levels. Keep this one a watch though, it looks nice. Looks pretty decent. Pretty decent. Nice, David, well done. Lovely, 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 lovely. That is what you need to do. TWG, how are we cooking? Let me have a look here. TWG 0.6. So something like this is, now if I was to enter this, I would wait for it to reclaim VWAP if it's not yet above VWAP. Or I would wait for this 0.82. See 8246? Look, 0.825. That's what I'll put it as. Why? Because I like to have a psychological level just easier on the mind. See, so look like this. 0.6 is your support. I'm just going to remove the support. I'm not really interested in that. Focus on this. Candle close above here. Wait, is this above VWAP? VWAP. If this reclaims VWAP, I would say you could look for an entry. But other than that, wait for 825. So TWG, wait for 825 break for entries. All right. Well done, David, though. Great job on TWG. ADTX. I think I just did ADTX, no? ADTX, no, I didn't. That was AVTX. ADTX for me, overall trend. Yeah, for me, nothing on ADTX. Look at this chart. Look at it. Like something like this with low volume, I just would avoid it personally. Just save yourself a hassle. People are going to say 52-week low, all of that. I mean, I don't know. I don't trade like that. Can I have entries maybe above here, 0.86. Then you have up to 0.91. But I didn't see anything yet. No news or anything. Well, there's news, but I don't know. There's no setup for me yet. BSFC. 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 What's happening with this? Very low volume. Just another one that's just trash. Like, look, these are all former runners. Look how much they're dying. They pop and they drop. Like, look, just think about it this way, right? If this play was bullish, right, and had the highest probability of running, would be above here. Because if it can break above this resistance and all this shitty stuff here on the left-hand side, all this new noise here, close above here, you have clean range up to here, then you have clean range up to there. But if you're going to try and buy here when it's going down, like, no, no, no. Like, for me, 0.82, wait for that. 0.82 break equals entries. Other than that, if it doesn't break 0.82, this is what people need to understand. If it doesn't get above 0.82, you do not enter. If the candle does not close above here, you are not entering the trade. If you are not gonna, you're not entering here, 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 or here. It's a close above, that is your entry. It's going down, Let it bleed. Let it go. Accept it and move on. Okay. 1490 versus 1990. These are level head. Right, next level here. This is your resistance. 1425. Very nice. Draw the resistance like that. Discord members, the seminar on this setup is coming soon on how to trade this. Should be out probably Sunday or Monday next week. Wait for 1425. Break above. Evoke. TVGN. Nothing yet. I like to set up those. Very nice on Amex. Expected a 5% move. Did it run 5%? Probably just about. Nice. 8%. Don't have anyone to take it, but if you did, well done. TCBP, for me, nothing. I'm just going to remove it for now. ATPC, I like this setup. Main reason is you can see all of this junk going on here, but if you look at the overall trend, right, like look, this is a big psychological level. If a stock is holding this into open, in my opinion, I think this will run up. That's it. There's a lot of consolidation like here, right? A lot of building pressure, buying, selling pressure here. Should be a big move, right? So yeah, let's see. I'm going to keep this one on watch. Right, guys, let's like up the stream. Let's go. Let me retweet this post for people. Cool, there we go. All right. APDN. What's happening with this thing? Everyone's talking about APDN. Is there news pending or something? I don't see anything on this unless 0.4. People who ask me about it, I think there's some news coming soon of some sort. I'm assuming it'll run in a minute because everyone's talking about it. I don't see anything. Maybe, yeah, falling wedge, but I don't know. Not really my style, to be honest with you. I'm assuming there's news coming. So APDN, falling wedge. Yeah, agreed on ATPC. What did I say about that one again? What's it? ATPC. Let me check. Yeah, I think so too. Save, nothing. Maxin, I just had this on my watch. This hasn't ran in a while. Maybe it'll run. IBRX, I'm watching 614 break. This will run very hard if it breaks 614. Just letting you know. There's a lot of range to the upside on this. So look, IBRX breaks 614. So 614. So we can now put 4 hour. Let's look at the daily on this, right? Oh, there's no gap fill. What are we at? 583. Oh, okay, yeah, no, there's nothing really. I thought it was gonna be some crazy chart. UPXI down. Yeah, this one, remember, 730. Mark that level. Former runner. TWG looks very, very good. Pushing up into open. Very nice. I would take entries here, in my personal opinion. I would take some entries here. ATPC, Amex, nothing. Save, not interested. Not interested. Najburu, 12%. We will see. All right, okay, guys, I'm going to head into the Discord. All right, moving forward, I think I'm gonna do maybe a little bit longer streams on YouTube. I'll start like around like 8:30 and finish maybe in like, I'll be on like extra 10 minutes, so like 10 minutes on from now. See if we can get more moves, and hopefully I can give you a couple setups before open. All right, guys, so keep joining, keep retweeting, posting all my things. I appreciate it. It helps me grow and it helps everyone, you know, join the community. And you know, it's nice to see people that are trading the same way. It's cool. All right, let me have a look at ITRM before I head out, and then yeah, ITRM. Yes, ITRM does look good. This 4 hour, you see the 4 hour, look, you see this like consolidation here. Like for me, I would wait for this break here. 191. So I'll mark 191 and see. Thanks for this though. I like this. Cool. So 191 and 19. Close above 191, then I'll probably look for entries on this, to be honest. Okay, guys, here, this is the only Discord I'm in. Myself and Hassi are in here every day. We do live trading every day. I'll do it in 30 minutes. All right, so this is the link. Click on this link once you join, okay? Whether you choose the 1 month or 3 month tier, then you'll have to claim your Discord access, right? From there, then you get automatic access in Discord. That's where alerts are, setups, all that kind of stuff, swing trading, live trading, seminars, you know, all that stuff. So if you want to join there, feel free to join. That is where I'm most active. That is where all the plays that I enter myself. Nothing on Twitter. When members join from Twitter or wherever, YouTube, okay, when you guys join to the YouTube, to the Discord, ignore Twitter, okay? People get confused. Twitter is nothing to do with the Discord. There is a complete big difference, right? I'm teaching in the Discord. Twitter, I'm just sharing setups and requests and all that stuff. So ignore it once you get in, all right? Okay, Jose, I'll do this one and then I'm done. SNDL is, here, 230 break. 230 break. Big, there's a big level here, bro. You see this big 230 break, then up. But also good eye on this because I think weed hasn't run in a while, so maybe this is should run. All right. Thanks again, guys. Have a fantastic day, evening, afternoon. Catch you all tomorrow. Peace out.